Edgewise Building is a powerful new tool to help you create as-built 3D models in Revit faster and more accurately than ever before. The software uses groundbreaking new technology developed by ClearEdge 3D with funding from the National Science Foundation, the leading technology research institute in the U.S. This series of training videos will cover all of the basic features and functions in Edgewise Building, as well as the workflow steps to create as-built Revit models in record time. You can access these videos anytime by clicking the Help tab in your main Edgewise user interface. Also in the Help tab, check out our printable user guide with additional tips on how to use Edgewise Building most efficiently. There are 5 additional videos in this series, one for each step in the Edgewise Building workflow. Before we get into the actual workflow, let me take you through some of the basic navigation features and quick tips that will help you master Edgewise Building. Edgewise Building's interface uses a familiar Windows-based toolbar and ribbon structure, and the workflow follows a typical left-to-right process. To rotate the camera, left-click within the viewing area and drag to rotate the camera around the data. The point of rotation is based on where the camera's focal point is positioned. To pan, hold down the Shift key and move the mouse in either direction. When you pan, the model's focal point moves with you. To spin the model, hold down the Control button and left-click on the mouse. To zoom, right-click and drag the mouse up to zoom in and down to zoom out. You can also zoom by hitting the F hotkey. This changes the point of rotation to the area into which you zoomed. Remember the F hotkey, it's one of the most useful hotkeys in Edgewise. To zoom to a particular layer, simply select the desired layer from the layer pane, located to the left of the viewing area, and click the Zoom Layer button located under the Model tab. This will travel the camera to the extents of the layer looking down the Z-axis in a bird's eye view. The Zoom Extents button pulls the camera back to the full extents in all layers in the project. Edgewise's new visualization engine allows you to easily navigate to each scanner location in the project. Click the drop-down box located above the Lock Z-axis checkbox and select the desired scan file. The camera will travel to this file's scanner location. While in scanner location mode, zooming and panning are disabled, and rotating now causes the camera to move in a 360-degree motion. You can toggle back to 3D navigation mode by clicking that option in the scanner location drop-down menu. To view your project from the X-axis, Y-axis, or Z-axis, simply click the red X, green Y, or blue Z button. These will rotate the camera to look straight down the cardinal axes. The tool ribbons in Edgewise only activate when you are in a particular mode that can utilize the tools in that ribbon. To activate the modeling tools, a model layer must be added and highlighted in the layer frame on the left-hand side of the interface. Remember, this is a beta, so crashes are going to happen. If the software crashes, you can recover your data by clicking the Recover button in the File ribbon. Edgewise auto-saves your work in this folder every 5 minutes. The next video in the Edgewise Building training series is step 1 of the workflow, extracting planes and creating a unified point cloud.